Today we'll be talking about how to create your store on the KiliStore e-commerce program. So the first thing to do is to click on the link on KiliStore. So when you click on the link on KiliStore, it will bring you to this option where you have the possibility to start your store, which is actually very easy to do. So let's proceed. So the first thing to do is to press on the start for free trial. So once you press on the option, you'll be directed to the second part where it is to create your account. Will be needed to input your email. So let's add our email account. You input your email account and then you will be needed to so by putting your phone number, you will click on next, where it will take you to the option of inputting your password that you'll be using to log into the system. So let us input our password. So one time you confirm the password once again. Then after confirming the password, you will be needed to agree to the terms of service and the privacy policy, and then you create your account. Then after creating the account, it will just direct you to the KiliStore account, and as easy as that, your account is created.